Hi everyone, I have another Temu haul to share with you guys, and I do have a coupon code with them. It is fav45575. You can put that in the search bar on the website or on the app, and it should take you to my storefront. It should be able to offer you some coupons if you haven't claimed them before. And I will also leave a link down below with all of these products as well in case you're interested. So today's video is slightly different than what I normally do. I normally do like full on like crafting supplies, but this time I have some different items with some crafting supplies, and I did pay for this order. But like I said, I am an affiliate with them. So let's dive on in. I constantly get these boxes because I just absolutely love them. They are $1.28 right now. Now normally I wait for them to be like $1 or less, so it was just a little bit more than what I usually spend, but I really needed them. I have been trying my best to organize, and I've been sorting things out by like theme. So I have like a spring box, Valentine's, Christmas. I have multiple Christmas, multiple Halloween. So I just needed some more of my stash, so I grabbed 4 of them. And these are really great. I'll show you because they have a double closure, and I just absolutely love that. So you can hear them click. I have traveled with one exactly like this, and so far so good. I haven't had any problems with it opening on me, whether it be on a train, a flight, a cruise. It literally goes with me all over the place, just in the car. So I really like these. Like I said, I haven't had any problems, so that's why I keep coming back and buying more and more of these. Okay, so this is something new for me that is, like I tell you guys, I buy from them all the time. Even like I don't show you guys some of the stuff that I get because I wasn't sure if you guys were interested. So I'm going to try a little something different. So like this haul I normally wouldn't share because it's just kind of like stuff that I just want. But maybe you guys would want it too. So I want to improve my handwriting. I want to start using my planner more. And oh, this one was $4.82. So I have a pen. I have, wow, multiple refills, 5 refills and the pen. So hopefully this will help. Oh, there we go. So I think it's to learn English. Maybe I bought the wrong thing, but to me it looked like just like trace over it type of a thing, you know? So that's why I got this one, and I just like the handwriting of it. It's like very like everyday. Like my handwriting is crazy. So yeah, that's why I got this. I just liked the basic like writing, how it was just like nice and pretty. So better than my writing. So that's gonna be interesting. I was thinking about laminating it so I can like use it over and over. So we'll see about that. I may or may not do that, but I thought that was pretty nice. They had like a bunch of different ones as well, but now that I'm looking at it better, I'm like, I think it might be to learn English, but it's okay. We'll still use it. Okay, I want to start doing like a savings challenge. So of course I had to get the one with the pig on there. And this was $6.87. And I can't remember. I have so much going on in life right now that I can't remember if I said this or not. I'm going to be 40 this year, and I've given myself a birthday year. So every month on the 19th, I get a cake. And of course, the family gets to have input on what kind of cake we want. So this month we had a Oreo cake. And so far, so like January, February, March, I've gotten a cake. And then every month we are trying a new restaurant. So with that, we've gone with a different family member, which has been fun. So in January, I went with a cousin that I normally don't go out to eat with. In February, I went with an aunt that I like hardly ever see. This month, my mom and I went to eat at a new restaurant by ourselves, but you know, the month's not over, so I could possibly meet up with somebody else. I asked a cousin if she wanted to do it this month, but she's been really busy as well. So I just think it would be really fun. So that's kind of been like my birthday celebration so far. But I am going to be traveling. So in September, I'm going to Alaska on a Disney cruise because that was my favorite cruise that we've ever done. So that was what I wanted to do. And then Dollywood is having their 40th anniversary this year, and Dollywood is on my bucket list. So I decided this was the perfect time to make it happen. Their 40th anniversary, my 40th birthday. So we're going to combine those into a trip. And with that, going to Graceland is also on my bucket list. So we may do that because we just have to travel the other way to get out that way. So I thought this would be really fun. Long explanation, right? So I thought this would be fun to have. So that's why I got this. It has a magnetic closure here. It has the little binder clips on the inside. And it does come with the different pockets. So you can see right here, it's 1 through 100. And then each pocket is labeled. And then, like I said, I had to get this one with a pig because I just love that it had a little piggy. And then it does say 100 envelope challenge on the spine there. And then these come pre-labeled. Let's see. So there you, oh, well, duh. I'm so dumb. White on white. That makes sense, Nicole. Let's see. Here we go. So each little pocket is labeled, so you can go ahead and use those, and it's printed. And that's what I was wondering. I was wondering if it was a sticker or if it was printed. No, it is actually printed on there, so you don't have to worry about your sticker peeling up, which is awesome because that was one thing that I was wondering about was, you know, like how much can I reuse this and fold it? And perfect. It all lines up. So love that little challenge. And I got a lot of challenge stuff, so I don't remember if I said it or not. This haul is like more like personal stuff that I would just buy. So I did get like a bunch of these fun little like savings challenge because I just thought it would be really fun, and some platter stuff. So I thought it'd be fun to like rate the restaurants that we've been going to. So I got those. That was $1.14, and it says 2 pieces, so I'm guessing it's 2 sheets. I also got this little book. It was $3.65. I don't like that the cover is pink, but it's the only one that I was able to find that was in stock, so I just grabbed it anyways. And let's see. Oh, see, so there's like some simple ones in here. So I thought about doing like a savings with Sunny also. I thought it would be fun. So there's little easy ones, 60, 150, 300. Look, there's a little piggy in here. So yeah, I just think this would be really fun to go ahead and track and save. And oh, I love that there's like all different amounts. Oh, this is cute. So you can save like specific holidays. That is cute. Valentine's Day, Easter, Mother's Day, Father's Day. And then you set the goal and how much each item is going to be. That's cute. Halloween, Thanksgiving, Christmas, birthday, anniversary, wedding. That is super cute. I love this. This is like exactly what I wanted. Let's see. Here's another savings one. This was $3.34. And this one saves $1,000. So there's a front and back. So if you complete one, you could do the other side, or you could go ahead and laminate this. I think I'm going to laminate these. So there's $60. Wow, these go high on some of these. This is cool. I love the whole like range and variety in these. So you could go from hundreds to thousands on these. Like I said, they are front and back, so you get double use. That's really good. I like that one a lot. Okay, this one was $1.67, and this one is for my planner, and this one has every month. So I thought that was really cute. So we have January, then here you have like your top, and then February, and here's the bottom there. Then we have March and April, May and June. I love the car and the camera. Oh, the burger too. Super cute. What else? July and August. Oh, I love October. Oh, Christmas too. That's so cute. Microwave? Why is there a microwave? Like leftovers maybe? That's cute. Love that. Like I said, we're going to be doing some traveling, so I wanted to make sure I got some travel stickers. So these are actually little round airplanes. That was $1.85. Oh gosh. I think it's 500 pieces. That's a lot. There are a couple sheets in there. That's a whole lot. This one was funny. It came in this like bubble mailer thing. So $1.47, and it was just some dollar bills that I thought were cute to like use for like payday or like paying a bill. So I got those as well. Did I have any more stuff? Let me see. Oh yeah, I do have a couple more items in here. Let's see what else. $1.57. Oh, these are so cute. Okay, so some of the stuff on there, if I really, really want it, I buy it right away. Because sometimes they sell out and then it doesn't come back in stock, and then I'm sad that I didn't get it. So, of course I had to get this one, and you guys will know why. There is a piggy on here. So I just thought it was really cute that it has like the little like peeping animals. So I thought those were really cute, and I just had to get those. Like just putting him like over the edge of like a paper or something, I think would be really cute. So I had to get him. Did I show this stuff? I don't think so. Let's see. $2.73. Oh, this is some more of those like challenge little budget sheets. I think there was like 40 in here. Yeah, see, there's a lot. I wonder, does this fit into here or is this too big? Oh, nice. It will fit into here, I think. No, I think it's a little off. Yeah, I might need a smaller binder for that one. But again, really like easy to save, like 30 bucks. Like it's just nice to start somewhere, right? So then we have 60, 150, 300, 450, 750. Oh, I did not look at the back. Okay, that is so cool. So you can write the date and the amount and balance, then adding or subtracting to it. That is really cool. I like that it is printed on the front and the back, because then I can track and see like when I started and when I finished on savings. That is cool. Okay, I am so happy that I bought these. This is gonna be fun. It makes like saving fun. So we got 900, 702, 465. What else is in here? 1,300 and $5,050. Nice. I like it. So too bad it doesn't fit in this binder. I just want to make sure. So it does technically fit even though it's off. So like, see, this one doesn't fit up here. But I think I have a smaller binder that I had got before. I think it might fit in there. So I'm going to have to pull that one out and see if those do fit in there. I really, really like this one. Oh, I think that was it. Yep, that's going to wrap it up. That's the end of my haul there. So like I said, this one's a little bit different, but like I said, I do buy things on there all the time, you know, not just crafty items. Like I buy my clothes on there. Well, not all clothes. Like I'll buy like shirts and sweaters off of there as well. I've bought like household, like kitchen stuff and just like household stuff pretty often. So I buy from Temu a lot more than I actually share with you guys. So yeah, just did a little bit something different today. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys are having an amazing day and enjoyed this video, and we'll see you later. Bye guys.